Lesson on Business Studies. My name is Ata PN. The topic is Memorandum. The specific objectives includes 1. Define memorandum, state the features of a memorandum, state the 2 types of letter, identify 3 types of personal letter, write out the layout of a business letter. A definition of memorandum. A memorandum is generally referred to a memo, and it is used for communication within an organization. Firms usually have their own printed form of memoranda, which are cut in the size they want. The layout of the headings varies from one organization to another. It is a means of communication used within the organization. It is not used between an organization and outside the organization, but within that organization. The features, the special features in memorandum includes no salutation, no complimentary clause, such as yours faithfully, 2 single line spaces below the subject. After writing the subject, you leave 2 single line spaces below it before you start typing. You use block or indented paragraph and centralize the heading, or you use block style. When a heading is centralized, you do not use block. But if you don't want to centralize a heading, you use block style. When you say that a heading is centralized, that is when you bring the heading of a particular subject matter at the middle of the paper. Types of letters. We have 2 types of letters in business. 1 is personal letter and 2 is business letter. And we have 3 different types of personal letter in business, which includes personal business letter. This is used when writing to an unknown person or firm about a personal business matter. 2, formal personal letter. It is used when writing to an older person whom you are transacting business with. 3, personal letter itself. It is used when writing to a personal friend, person whom you know very well and you relate with very well. The layout of a business letter. The layout means how a business letter looks like after writing or typing them. You can use a block style. You say that a block style is when every line of the letter starts at the margin, both the first and the last line. Second is indented style. Indented style is used when the first line of that letter begins by giving 5 character spaces before starting the writing, and every other line, the subsequent line, begins at the margin. It is only the first line that will give 5 character spaces before writing, while other subsequent ones comes at the margin of the writer. Hanging style. Hanging style is when the first line of the write-up begins at the margin and the subsequent lines begins with 5 character spaces to the right until it finishes. It is only the first line that will come at the margin, other ones will go, following each other by giving 5 character spaces to the right. Please remember to download your notes after the lesson. Assignment: define memorandum. 2. What are the features of memorandum? 3. Mention 2 types of letter we studied and identify the layout of a business letter. Thank you and God bless you all. Go to